When someone is accused of DUI in California, there are two separate actions that are immediately initiated. There's an administrative action that's started by the Department of Motor Vehicles, and then there's a criminal action. And that's where the district attorney or a city attorney in some instances is seeking to prosecute the person criminally. So both of those separate actions require aggressive representation. The DMV is obviously seeking to take away your driving privilege, and the district attorney or the city attorney in some instances is seeking to prosecute you criminally and punish you with fines and possibly jail and other things. When somebody contacts me, we immediately put all of our resources in action. We immediately contact the DMV to ensure that the person has a right to a DMV hearing. Because the DMV is an administrative agency and it's not a criminal proceeding, all the rules and rights and protections that someone has in criminal court doesn't apply. For example, if you fail to request a DMV hearing within 10 days of your arrest, you give it up. You have forfeited your right to a DMV hearing. And so that's why it's so important to contact an attorney immediately, so that way they can request a DMV hearing on your behalf and ensure that you don't lose that right. And then there's the criminal case. What happens first is an arraignment, and that's the fancy legal word for having the charges read against you. But it's important to hire an experienced DUI attorney, possibly even before that arraignment date, because the sooner we get on the case, the sooner we can start conducting our own investigations, and the sooner we can maybe even contact the district attorney's office to try and encourage them to file charges that would be appropriate in the case. We want to give you peace of mind. We want to let you know that when you contact our firm and when you hire Floyd, Skeren, and Kelly, we're able to get a successful resolution to the satisfaction of our client in over 95% of the cases without even having to go to trial.